Hi everyone, welcome to Lucilva's Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how I make my easy one-pan spaghetti meat sauce with lots of meat and some fresh ingredients. This is going to be awesome and I hope you like it. I preheat my 7-quart saute pan on medium heat for 1 minute. This pan is 3 inches deep and perfect for one-pot meals like this spaghetti meat sauce dish. And it's oven safe. It's a high-quality, heavy-duty deep saute pan by Hexclad, and I put a link in the description of this video in case you're interested in getting one. I've had it for 3 years and absolutely love it, and have used it in a lot of my videos. I'm going to start browning 2 1/4 pounds of ground round. This is my go-to beef for spaghetti meat sauce, chili, or any dish where the ground beef must be browned in a pan because it has the right amount of fat. I used to break the ground beef into small pieces, but lately I've been breaking it into larger chunks. So much tastier this way. I don't need to brown it completely just yet, and I start flavoring with some fresh ingredients. I add 1 medium yellow onion, finely chopped, 4 large freshly grated garlic cloves, 2 finely diced medium carrots, or 1 cup to add some sweetness, 1 medium green bell pepper, finely chopped. I got it from my garden. It was starting to turn red, so I thought I would use it in this sauce today. These are candy cane peppers. They're very flavorful, mild, and sweet. I chopped 3 of them and a couple of banana peppers, all from my garden. You can be flexible with your peppers. There are so many kinds and they flavor spaghetti meat sauce so well. I live in Central Florida, so I plant peppers from seeds in winter and harvest them all spring and summer. Now I'm going to add a 14-ounce pack of Kielbasa sausage. I like the mild smoky flavor it gives this sauce. A friend of mine from North Carolina suggested I tried it, so I did and I actually liked it. Or you may replace it for any sausage that you like. I open up a spot in the center of the pan and mash 2 Knorr beef bouillon cubes. Or you may replace them for 1 teaspoon of beef base, or the seasoning of your choice. Let it dissolve and slowly incorporate it into the sauce. I start with 2 cubes and later on I'll taste the sauce and see if it needs more. Since it's salty, I start with caution and then adjust it to my liking. Now I'm going to add the dry ingredients. 1 tablespoon of onion powder to enhance the onion flavor, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to enhance the garlic flavor, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. I put a link in the description of the brand I use most. 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. That's it for the dry seasonings. Mix them well, fry them a little bit, open up a spot in the center, and add 2 heaping teaspoons of tomato paste. Fry it for 1 minute, slowly incorporating it into the mixture. Add half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3 tablespoons of ketchup that contribute with great flavor, creaminess, and sweetness, and incorporate it well into the mixture. 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese and cook it for a couple of minutes. After 2 minutes, add 32 ounces of marinara sauce and 2 jars of water because I have a lot of spaghetti to cook here, and I prefer to use filtered water. I turn up the heat to medium-high and stir it until it starts to come to a boil. Then I turn the heat back to medium, taste the sauce, adjust the seasonings to my liking, and add 1 pound of spaghetti. Just like I would not add pasta to water that's not boiling, I don't add pasta to a sauce that's not boiling either. Since I started making spaghetti with meat sauce this way, I cannot go back to boiling the spaghetti in water again. This pan is 11 inches in diameter and it really helps. A large saucepan would be great too. The large, deep pans are much easier to work with. Nobody deserves to struggle, especially while making spaghetti with meat sauce. I separate the strands so they don't stick and keep moving them around for a couple of minutes. Let them cook for a minute, always uncovered, and then move them around some more. Let the spaghetti cook for a couple more minutes. At this point, I taste the sauce again and adjust the seasoning to my liking. I stir it one more time until I see that the strands will no longer stick. This one-pan method is great. The pasta thickens the sauce and there's less cleanup. Since the spaghetti is cooking in the sauce, I like to stir it occasionally, every couple of minutes or so, and then I check to see if it's done to my liking. This recipe makes a lot of spaghetti. It feeds 6 to 8 adults. Since it's just my husband and I here, we eat 1/3 of it for a couple of days and freeze the leftovers. We have this chamber vacuum sealer. I love this little machine here. It saves me a lot of time and money. It's large inside, so we freeze 2/3 of the spaghetti into 2 large bags. I already vacuum sealed and froze the spaghetti, but I'll give you a quick demonstration here. You just fill up the bag with the spaghetti or whatever food you like, put it in the chamber, close it. I like to select normal vacuum and strong seal. Hit start and it does the job in just a few seconds. My husband and I posted a video showing how we use it in order to pack and freeze breakfast sandwiches. I'll place a link in the description and at the end of this video. We use it so much, we just leave it on the counter. I'm not sponsored by it. It's just that we have been using it for the past 3 years and we love it. So every time I use something that I really like, I will let you all know about it. Okay, so back to the spaghetti. It's ready and it cooked for about 12 minutes. It cooks a little bit longer than if it was in the water because it's in a sauce and it's more dense. It's creamier. Adjust the time to your liking. I don't like it too al dente. I like it a little more cooked. I am ready to plate it. And how about those big meatballs? They're awesome. So much better than tiny little pieces of beef. I just can't emphasize it more. I used to make spaghetti with only 1 pound of meat, but I didn't think it was enough. 1 pound of spaghetti is a lot of pasta. It deserves better. So I add a lot of meat to it. The more meat, the merrier. Yes, I'm Brazilian, but that's besides the point. I hope you make my spaghetti with meat sauce and let me know how you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe to my channel if this is the kind of food you enjoy, and spread the word by sharing this video with everyone you think is going to enjoy it just like you do. Thank you for watching, and I hope you tune in for the next video. Bye!